In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an item and track inventory using Zoho Books, your one-stop solution for efficient inventory management in 2025. This comprehensive guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can easily navigate and utilize the features within Zoho Books to keep track of your inventory seamlessly. Let's start by accessing your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your central hub for tracking all financial activities. From here, you want to look for the Items tab. The Items section is where you'll manage all your products and services, providing you with the ability to add new items, edit existing ones, and keep everything organized. Now, you need to click on the Items tab. This will direct you to the section where you'll see a list of all your current items. Once you're here, locate the New button to add a new item to your inventory. Clicking New opens a form where you'll input details about the item you wish to add. Every detail you add here is crucial for maintaining accurate records, so let's go through them one by one. First, click on Name and type in the name of the item. Make sure the name is clear and specific to avoid any confusion, especially if you have a large inventory. Next, select Unit to define the measurement for your item. It could be pieces, kilograms, or whatever unit fits your inventory needs. Moving on, click on Selling Price to set the price at which you intend to sell this item. This helps in automatic invoice generation. Adjacent to this, you'll find the Cost Price field. Here, input the cost at which you've acquired the item. This is essential for calculating your profit margins. Next, you want to set the account associated with this item. This links the item to a sales account in your books, crucial for maintaining clear financial records. Similarly, click on Description to add any additional information about the item, which might include specifications or notes. You'll also see an option for Preferred Vendor. This will be the supplier you usually purchase this item from, streamlining your reordering process. Now, don't forget to enable the track inventory for this item option. This is key as it allows Zoho Books to keep tabs on the stock levels. Make sure you click on Inventory Account, linking the item to the correct inventory ledger. Following this, you need to select an inventory valuation method. Choose either FIFO or LIFO, depending on which aligns with your accounting practices. For initial setup, enter the opening stock to reflect the current quantity you have, and then specify the opening stock rate per unit. This rate will be used to determine the total value of your opening stock. Finally, after all these details are diligently filled, click on Save. This will store all the item information, successfully adding it to your inventory list, ready for tracking and transaction processing. Congratulations! You've now created an item and set up inventory tracking in Zoho Books. With this setup, you can efficiently manage your stock levels, avoid shortages, and maintain a smooth, organized inventory system. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your business processes with Zoho Books.